Hi, beautiful friends and family. I appreciate and welcome you for stopping by for a collaboration that I'm participating in today. And it's for Easter collab. Excellent. I love it. And I usually do a DIY, but I decided to do a Tablescape today. And I'm collaborating for Easter, and we were asking that you actually do any area of your home as long as you include eggs, any color or design. So the collaboration is with the Daughters of Destiny. It's a lovely group that I'm so happy and proud to be in, and it consists of Shawnee from Shawnee on the Spot, Debbie Bubbles, Kay with Creating with Miss K, and also Gigi for the Love of the Court, and of course me, Lady Cinnamon. So guys, thanks so much for showing up. Don't forget to stop by all of my beautiful sisters' channels. They are so amazing. I'm sure you want to subscribe. So I am going to be starting with my wall. I took down my wall art because I wanted to do something spectacular, and I saw on Miss Grandma Sandy's channel that she had these really pretty moss butterflies, and she said where she got them from. So I ran to the store, guys, and got two of them. They are amazing. They're perfect for this time of year with that green moss, and it just says spring and new beginnings, and I have it over my settee. And yeah, so for my centerpiece I have an egg topiary that is a DIY. I have several DIYs. I can leave all that in the description bar below. But yeah, I love this topiary. I was going to use some flowers as a centerpiece, but I said I'm going to go ahead and use my DIY, and I love the way it turned out. It's just gorgeous. And yeah, so in the middle I got this He is Risen sign. I really wanted to have something that resonated with this reason for this holiday, and this is perfect. I got it from the Hobby Lobby and I absolutely love it. It's perfect the way it is, so I left it the way it is, and it matches perfect with my decor. I also have two of these little DIYs on the side, which are like little eggplants that I made from Dollar Tree items. It looks like they're little eggs that are growing out of a plant, and they're just adorable. And I have two of those flanking each side of my tablescape. For my table runner, I got this really pretty faux grass table runner. I saw this on Miss K's channel with Creating with Miss K, and she was so kind to tell me where she got it from, and I went ahead and ordered it. It does run the length of the table, but I do have some placemats over it, and then I cut it in half, guys, and I actually made my charger plates with that same faux grass. So let me know in the comments below how you like that, but I think I love the way it turned out. But yeah, and I also have some bunny placemats. You really can't see it to cover it up, but they're like different colors with polka dots and pastel colors with little bunny ears on each of the ends of it. So cute. So yeah, I love the way these chargers came out on top of the placemats. I think it looks awesome. Really wanted to have a nice fun festive look for Easter for my tablescape, and I did use the same flatware. I had ordered some pink ones, but it never came in time, so I got these napkins also off of Amazon, and I made the actual napkin ring with Dollar Tree items and pitberry leftover. And I got this plate. I got a set of 4 of them from Odd Lots for a really great price, and I made this salad plate. All I did was get clear plates from the Dollar Tree and paint them in yellow, and then I sealed them, and they came out perfect, guys. They couldn't have been even more perfect than they came out. Really great. This bunny is another DIY that I did that I absolutely love. It's a decoupage bunny, and like I said, I'll leave all of the information for the videos for these DIYs in the description bar below, but it came out so perfect. And I also love to add in other little items. I got these 2 little bunnies from Kirklands. You guys know I love Kirklands. So yeah, and I have 2 of them flanking each side also. And then also, guys, I love to add treats to my table for my family. So I do put some jelly beans in one jar, and then these other little pastels that are candies in another jar, and they just pretty and they look perfect for for spring and for Easter. So for my my buffet, I have a Bombay chest with the matching mirror that I actually DIY'd, and I love the way they look. And yeah, so I just created a little vignette on my buffet because it's sort of small, because it is a Bombay chest. I have the cake stand, and then on top of that I have a hurricane, and we'll get into that. But for this side, I have an egg, and then I also have a cute little moss bunny, and then I have an initial that I did as a DIY also with these cute little rose buds, and that's one side of the vignette. And then on the other side I have a cute little bunny that I hauled in a recent haul, and then I also have a little cloche with some treats in it. And then for my centerpiece, I have a tapered hurricane with some really florals, pastel florals around the base of it that I got from Kirklands also. And then I have a luminar inside of it, but they're so pretty with those pastel colors of pinks. Now I did have on the base a blue sheer cloth because there on the mirror it was matching basically. And that's basically it for my tablescape. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to go check out all of the other creators on the playlist, and also my co-hosts. Don't forget to check out their videos and their channels. I'm sure you want to subscribe. And I love you guys. See you in the next video, and thank you all so much for watching.